Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great today. I'm your host, Zain Ali Salari, for the show Just Asking. Right now, we are here in Islamabad recording because it's Ramadan, right? And we've got lots of people to ask fun questions. We have this ma'am right here. Ma'am, can I ask you a couple of questions? Fun one, okay? What's your name, ma'am?
Sanam.
What do you do?
I'm doing a job here.
Job here. I'm sure you must be enjoying and loving your job. Is it so?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
My name is Yildirim. I'm a software developer, AI engineer.
Ah, that's the future, right?
I guess so.
You must be making good money then.
Umair.
Umair, so what do you do?
I'm working with a fashion designer.
Saud Iqbal. I am a VA and a student.
My name is Sharik. I'm also a virtual assistant and I
Virtual
also
assistant
study.
and a student as well.
Yep.
About Ramadan, how is it going?
It's going so well, to be honest.
It's going so well. You're feeling Ramadan all over.
Because Ramzan is a special one for me. We hang out at night time on Ramzan and like we have
At nights, you can go out with your friends and buddies.
Yeah.
You know, when it's Ramadan, there are two types of mood 10 minutes before iftar. Either you are calm, either you are dangerous. And the one who is dangerous, they're going to attack every single thing right in front of them before iftar. They're making the strategy to go on, what to go first and to the second. And that is what we are going to ask to the people right here in this market. What's your mood 10 minutes before the iftar? Is it calm or dangerous?
It is dangerous.
It's dangerous.
I'm angry.
Angry?
But, yeah.
Is it calm or dangerous?
It used to be dangerous,
used
but
to
now
be
it's calm
dangerous.
because I help my mother and my sister in
In the
making
kitchen
iftar.
as
Yeah,
well?
Yeah, of course.
That's mama's boy we have. Yay.
Almost dangerous and calm. Mixed.
Dangerous and
Yeah.
calm.
No, it's not dangerous. Like I'm so worried about myself or before 10 minutes because I'm not getting ready on 10 minutes before. So that's why. And I want to make myself ready for the
to
iftar.
sit in the iftar table.
Yeah, because I'm so lazy person. That's why.
Sometimes it's calm, sometimes it's dangerous one,
It's-
but mostly it's dangerous one.
It's dangerous.
Sometimes it's calm, sometimes it's dangerous.
Sometimes
it depends.
It's calm. It depends upon the mood.
Yep.
You do swing a lot.
Nope.
Sometimes it's calm and sometimes
It's-
but most probably it's calm.
It's calm. You are easygoing person.
It's like dangerous.
It's dangerous. What are you attacking on?
No, it's like
Water, of course.
Water, of course.
I've been so thirsty before the iftar.
I attack no one because I know I'm going to get slapped by my mother.
Slapped by your mother?
yeah.
She controls the house really well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, salute to your mother as well.
No, it's like I'm not
Something
attacking
in the
anything,
iftar
in
thing.
The iftar,
Pakoda, samosa, jamun.
no
chili.
pakoras, no samosas. I like fruit chaat.
Fruit chaat. That's
a good,
good.
thing and a healthy thing.
This Ramzan, it is too much easy for us, because of the winter.
Winter season,
yeah.
it's duration is very less.
And
And
very less.
In summer, it's very tough, right?
Yeah, it's in summer we are hypers
It's
and
long day and
Yeah.
then you are feeling dehydrated,
Yeah.
thirsty. Before iftar, are you making duas? Are you trying to create a strategy for plate? It's like one, right?
I'm making dua.
Dua.
I think lots of dua and prayers.
Lots of duas and
Yeah,
prayers.
yeah.
I'm not belonging of both of these. So
One of these.
I'm not belonging to both
You're
of these.
just in common and neutral in this.
yeah.
you have to pray Allah Almighty before you break your fast.
Break your fast. So you belong to the team,
Yeah.
praying and making lots of duas.
Nah, I do make a lot of duas.
Duas.
For my family, for,
your
my
family,
loved ones.
Loved ones. Loved ones. Woo. I see that.
जिंदगी में कुछ तो चाहिए ना.
जिंदगी में कुछ तो चाहिए. So you have that कुछ तो चाहिए.
Yeah, I do.
I wish you guys the best one then, huh?
I make a lot of duas for my family, for my loved ones also,
Good for your
and for
family.
myself also.
For yourself as well.
Dua.
Definitely.
Wow. Definitely, that is what the whole day you waited for.
Yes.
As girls are multitaskers, so I can do the both.
You are doing the both. Duas in the heart and mind on the strategy to.
I already know what I'm going to take.
Yeah, you already made the plan.
Yeah.
The strategy is already made.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you have to just go on.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I
good.
keep on making duas.
Keep on making duas. not going for the strategy to pile up your
Someone
plate?
little.
A little bit.
Yeah.
No, like first of all, I am a Muslim. Then I have mind with to do duas, not about the food.
Getting your duas accepted.
Yes.
And making sure
Yes.
that you are taking the best out of that.
Yes,
Ah.
that's the main thing of the whole day, or
Yeah.
before 5 minutes of the iftar.
Are you from the team small plate or big mountain plate?
No, small plate.
Small plate? Easy
I
one?
believe in small plates and multiple plates, but not the
Multiple
bigger
plates.
one. Yeah.
You are filling and refilling it again and again?
Yes.
The big mountain plate.
Big mountain
Yeah,
plate?
yeah, of course.
Why not to go on small and choosing a bits and pieces?
I take everything.
Everything
Yeah.
right in front of me. No one touches mine.
Yeah, of course. Everyone
Yeah.
got their own.
Small plate, I think.
Small plate?
Yeah.
Going for easy
Yeah.
bits and pieces and going to refill it.
Yeah.
So it's
It's small,
lovely
very
meeting.
small, basically.
Very small one.
Small,
Small one, you go into small, picking up and choosing very wisely.
obviously. Everyone have to, man.
Everyone has to. No, there are certain people, they go big, pouring everything into their plates and putting in front, and then they're embarrassed to eat it up because they cannot finish.
I would like to take the little first, and then I have to take more and more.
What
No,
team you
small
belong to?
plate.
Small plate, going to choose easy. Huh? And then whatever
relaxing.
tastes good, you will pick that big. And that's a universal strategy, by the way.
Small plate.
Small plate,
Yeah.
going for small things
Yeah.
and choosing lots of things.
Nah, small things.
Small plate.
Why so? Why are you choosing the small thing? Why not to just pile up and pour everything into the plate?
Because आपका जो दिल कर रहा है आप वही करो ना आप ये नहीं कि इतना ज़्यादा वो करोगे
Go along the heart goes way.
Yep, small.
Small plate, you're not going to pile up everything in your plate?
No.
No.
It's depend upon the day's mood. Like
Day's mood, if
yeah,
you're feeling, your tummy
if,
is right.
If I'm feeling hungry,
Ah.
then I make it big.
Big one.
Big one. And when I don't feel hungry, then it's
then
a
you
small.
are just, break the fast and let's
I am good with little one.
If someone is eating in front of you while you are fasting, what's your take on that?
Nothing. I'm a very calm person.
You're a very
I
calm
have
person.
Tolerance, good tolerance.
You have
levels,
your
I think.
own lane and you let the person go.
Yeah.
I don't care.
You don't care?
Yeah.
Doesn't
I'm
matter.
fasting. He's not. So
Then it's problem.
Yeah.
It's not yours.
no, it's not. my
That's
problem.
good one.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
No, doesn't matter. It's common.
It's common.
Yeah.
He's in his own lane.
Basically, Rosa meaning. What is the meaning of Rosa? Ramadan.
Yeah.
Sabr.
Sabr.
Yeah.
You have
so
to
it doesn't
sabr.
matter. Alhamdulillah, we have.
If he's eating, doesn't
We are
matter.
Muslim, Alhamdulillah. We have lots of sabr.
Alhamdulillah. No, not a big
Doesn't
reaction.
matter.
Doesn't matter. Like that's personal matter of him.
That's
like,
his own lane.
obviously.
It's a normal thing. It doesn't affect myself.
It won't affect you.
No reaction.
No
It's
reaction.
Just calm.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
If whatever he is doing, just
Yeah.
let him be.
It's a dangerous reaction.
Dangerous reaction. You want to slap him?
I want to do everything with him. If I am fasting, why he is not fasting?
Why is not fasting?
Normal maybe.
Normal.
Because हमें दिया गया अगर एक चीज़ करने को fast तो हमें control
It's
करना है.
word
We
for
have to
us, and
control
we have to do
ourselves.
sabr. That is
Yes.
what Ramadan, Roza mean.
Yes.
It is mean to qiyam, to stay and to wait
Yes,
and to
definitely.
be patient.
I think when my younger brother will do that, then I am going to punch him.
You are going to punch him
Yeah,
right into the
because-
face or to the stomach.
I think onto the stomach that he feel how does
How
it
you are
feel?
feeling.
Yeah. If anyone else is eating, I have no issue with him.
That's fair enough. Fair enough. And do let me know in the comment section, are you from the team small plate or the big mountain plate? What are your strategy on choosing and going about the iftar table?